If you want to get started with the Telegram bot API, this video will walk you through the simplest way to create your bot, grab your token, and test that everything is working correctly. Whether you're building an automation tool, a notification bot, or just learning how Telegram bots work, this is the perfect place to begin. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. In the search bar, look for the verified account called BotFather. You'll know it's the real one because it has the blue check mark next to the name. BotFather is the official Telegram bot that helps you create and manage other bots, so this is the account you need to use. Once you find a BotFather, click Start to open the chat, then send the command /newbot. BotFather will begin the setup process and ask you to enter a display name for your bot. This is the name people will see inside Telegram, so choose something clear and relevant to your project. After that, it will ask you for a username. This part is important because the username has to be completely unique and must end in the word bot. For example, something like my test bot or shop helper bot would work, as long as nobody else is already using it. After you submit the username, BotFather will generate your bot and give you an HTTP API token. This token is the key that allows your app, script, or website to communicate with the Telegram bot API. Copy this token carefully and save it somewhere secure because anyone who has it can control your bot. Never share it publicly, and if it ever gets exposed, you should regenerate it right away. Now that you have your token, the next step is to test it in your browser. Telegram makes this very easy. Just open a new tab and paste a URL in this format, replacing the token placeholder with your actual bot token. API telegram.org/bot/your token/getMe. When you load that page, Telegram will send back a JSON response if everything is correct. If the token is valid, you'll see details like your bot's name, username, and ID. That confirms your bot is active and the API is responding properly. This is a great first test before you start building anything more advanced because it proves your token works and your connection is set up correctly. From here, you can start using the Telegram bot API for your own purpose, whether that means sending messages, building automation, or connecting your bot to a website or script. If you're following along and this helped you get your bot set up, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.